there's still more than a week to go until they start adding the barrels, and the markets at the moment are still being very headline driven.
Mm.
The impact of the upcoming increment from OPEC on prices that was felt with the announcement. So the actual rollout of additional barrels should have a pretty minimal impact on the market, I would say. But as Olivia was alluding to earlier, the sentiment in the market hasn't changed so much. It's more that we're seeing this very headline driven price reaction. So you get short-term bumps, short-term knocks on prices, and then things seem to be settling back into a just above $70 range. The issue, the next issue from OPEC that might drive markets is again the fact that they're going to be making a decision soon on whether to continue the monthly increments as planned and confirm that they're going to release the next tranche from May. Certainly at the moment, it seems like we will see steady as she goes on that perspective. OPEC had a pretty they flagged up to quite a high degree last week this compensate the latest compensation schedule from countries that have been overproducing. Certainly, if that goes ahead as planned, that will
Mm.
more than offset the additional barrels that they'll be bringing back to the market, not just from April, but from May and June as well. Nobody expects that that compensation plan will be fully implemented, but it's trying to send that message to the market that, hey, we are not going to be flooding you with additional supply anytime soon, that we have the mechanism in place to limit the amount of barrels that are coming back onto the market.